Hello, interwebs. Okay, heading out. It's 1:30. Parent-teacher conferences for Billy, and then I meet the owners of the new house, get the keys, sign the paperwork, hand over the last of my money, and hope I make more before it's time to pay another bill. Actually, I'm giving them the last of my money, and there's still more bills to pay, but that's a whole totally different subject. So I found a house. I'll walk you guys through it a little later. I'll walk you through assuming the owners, take off and leave me be, so I don't feel a little weird if they're standing there when I'm walking through. Yeah, so we finally got a place. I got to drive out to California, get our stuff, bring it back. Still trying to figure that out, and we'll see. So, okay, crap, there was something else I was going to tell you, but I also wanted to show you this. Look it up in the distance. Well, that's what I was going to tell you. Today, the weather here, 39 degrees. Oh, actually 37 right now. It was 39 2 seconds ago. So 37 degrees. I'm facing west, as you can see. And, okay, watch as we crest this hill right here. Oh, road closed. Okay, I just want to make sure everybody's aware. Can you see that? Do you see what is there? That is, what? What? Watch for icy roads, I know that. That is snow. I'm in Arizona. Did I mention I'm in Arizona? And that it's October? And there is snow? What the hibbity jibbity? Holy crap. Okay, I guess the 25% chance is yes. We are going to get snow. I don't know if any of it's gonna stick. Kids are probably freezing balls right now. I guess we are going to be getting some snow jackets. Yeah, snow. Is that a Charles Trippy face? Okay, I'm going to stop recording and pay attention to the freaking road because I'm probably going to hit some icy patches if it's snowing. This could be cool. I will let you know if it starts sticking to the ground. Okay, I finally traveled far enough to get out of that snow, and it's a lot better. I had to go way down the road. I'm about a mile further down, and now look what I see. Yeah, okay, over that way not so much, but what the, who designed this state? Somebody needs to rethink something. I'm just saying. Alright, I didn't get a chance to walk you guys around the house yesterday, but I thought I'd bring you over now. Gotta go to the store. Here it is. What I'm moving into. Nothing spectacular, but it's a place for us to go. I'll walk you around now. Alright, come into the living room. And I can't zoom out anymore. Over here is the master bedroom. And here to the master bath. Nice big tub. turn that fan off. My walk-in closet. I don't know what the hell I'm going to do with all this room. It'll probably be filled with computer crap. Oh, we're not going to be running you. Okay, we're going to have to figure out how to turn that fan off, because that ain't going to work. Okay, over to the kitchen. Again, nothing spectacular, but still, it's ours for the time being. Out here to the laundry room, gas and electric dryer hookups. Out to the backyard, a nice big shed, big empty field. So what are you guys thinking so far? Very nice. Comes with some perfume, I guess. And I think you were just looking up over my head. Okay, into the kitchen again. Kind of like the kitchen. There's counter space everywhere. There's this will probably be the coffee and microwave center. That will leave me all the room over there for cooking. Looking back on the living room and master bedroom. Opening to the kids' room, the dining room, family room. It's really cold in here. And then the boys' 2 rooms. Josh will have one and Billy and Brent will have the other. There's the closet. Their bathroom. And the other bedroom. And closet. Walk back out to the hallway. Ceiling fans all over the house, which I love. Right now we're not going to be using them, but later on we will. So, ceiling fan in that in the living room. So that's the house. You'll probably see quite a bit of it. I'll try to start vlogging a little more regularly. I'll be home during the day, and I won't have to stick out in the garage and do my thing. So. Yeah, this is it. I'll put this up so my family, all my friends can see what we're moving into, and kind of get a feel for the place. So that's it. I gotta go to the store now, make some chili for the last evening that we're all living in Lisa's house. Tomorrow we'll head to California, pick up some of our stuff, bring it back out here. The camera's probably shaking because I'm actually kind of cold in here. So I'm going to go where I have a heater in the van, and I'll get this posted hopefully later today. Let's see what temperature it is. Let's get in the van and start it and then check it out. There's the shed again. Just to give you an idea of what we were looking at. So, it's much warmer in here. I'm going to have to re-outfit the kids with all their clothes. It's warmer. Wasn't it 37 yesterday? I think it was 37 yesterday, but it feels colder today for some reason. I don't know what that is. Okay, so that was the house.